In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the strike-through shortcut in PowerPoint to cross out text quickly and efficiently. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any other occasion, using strike-through can be a handy way to emphasize changes, mark deletions, or simply add a unique stylistic touch to your text. So let's get started on mastering this simple yet effective tool. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do so now. If PowerPoint is already running, simply navigate to the program window. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to access the presentation where you'd like to apply the strike-through effect. Open your file by selecting it from the recent documents list or by using the open option in the file menu. Now that you've accessed your PowerPoint presentation, find the slide with the text you want to cross out. It's time to highlight the text. Click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to apply the strike-through to. This will select the text, indicating that it's ready for the next step. Ensure that you've got the right portion of text highlighted before proceeding, as this step is crucial for the strike-through effect to apply accurately. With your text highlighted, it's time to perform the strike-through. On your keyboard, press Alt, then H, followed by 4. Make sure to press these keys in quick succession. This is the shortcut that will apply the strike-through effect to the selected text. You might notice an immediate visual change once this shortcut is applied, as the text will now appear with a line running through it. This indicates that you've successfully crossed out the text using the strike-through feature. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use the strike-through shortcut in PowerPoint to cross out text both quickly and effortlessly. This technique is particularly useful for editing presentations, as it allows you to visually track changes or emphasize points without altering the original text. By incorporating this skill into your PowerPoint toolkit, you're sure to enhance both the functionality and the visual appeal of your presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out the strike-through shortcut in your next presentation project. Until next time, happy presenting!